Hey everyone, welcome back to our Django tutorial series. In the last video, we created our first app in Django. Now, it's time to dive into one of the core concepts of Django development, models and the admin interface. Models define the structure of your data, and the Django admin interface allows you to manage this data with ease. In this video, we'll create a model for our app and explore how the Django admin interface works. Let's start with an overview of models. In Django, a model is a Python class that represents a table in your database. Each attribute of the model corresponds to a column in the table. Django's ORM, Object Relational Mapping, translates these models into database queries, making it easy to interact with your database using Python code. To give you a practical understanding, we'll create a model for the students app we made in the previous video. Let's say we want to store information about students, such as their name, date of birth, and enrollment date. To create a model, open the models.py file in your students app. Here's how you can define the student model. First underscore name and last underscore name are char fields, which store short text strings. Date underscore of underscore birth is a date field, perfect for storing dates. Enrollment underscore date is another date field that automatically sets to the current date when a new record is created. The underscore underscore str underscore underscore method returns a string representation of the object, which is helpful when working with objects in the Django admin or shell. With our model defined, the next step is to create the corresponding table in the database. We do this by running a migration. Migrations are Django's way of propagating changes you make to your models into the database schema. To create and apply migrations, run the following commands in your terminal: python manage.py make migrations. Make migrations tells Django to generate the SQL commands to create or update the database schema. Next, python manage.py migrate. Migrate applies these changes to the database. After running these commands, Django will create the student table in your database. Now that our model is set up and migrated, let's explore the Django admin interface, a powerful feature that allows you to manage your app's data without writing any code. But before we can access the admin interface, we need to create a superuser. To create a superuser, which is an admin account with full access to the Django admin interface, run the following command: python manage.py create superuser. You'll be prompted to enter a username, email, and password. Make sure to choose a strong password and remember these credentials, as you'll need them to log in to the admin interface. With the superuser created, let's make our student model accessible in the admin interface. We do this by registering the model in the admin.py file of the student's app. To register our model with the admin interface, open admin.py in the student's app, add the following lines to admin.py. From .models import student. Admin site.register, student. This tells Django to include the student model in the admin interface. Let's take a look at the admin interface now. Start the Django development server if it's not already running, and go to http://127.0.0.1:8000/admin log in using the superuser account you just created. Once you're logged in, you'll see the student section under the app name. Click on it to view, add, edit, or delete student records. The Django admin interface automatically provides forms and list views based on your model, making it incredibly easy to manage your data. That's the power of Django models and the admin interface. You can now define your data structures and manage them with ease. In the next video, we'll continue building out the student's app by adding more functionality, such as creating forms and views to interact with our model. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.